Hey guys, today I'm working with a roper, which is made by Whirlpool washer, and right now it's filling up. Pretty heavy jeans and towel loads, pants and stuff in there, but overall pretty heavy load. Got a little bit of touch up to do on this one here, which will be done. You can see that in the final pictures, but right now I just want to run it through a cycle so you can see everything works perfect, as if you're standing here yourself, testing it out. I'm going to show you that it fills up all the way, agitates like it's supposed to, drains the water out, and that spin cycle is nice and fast, smooth, and sounds great. So we'll let it finish filling up, and we'll move along with it. Alright, and it's finished filling up. You can hear it agitating. If I open this up, it's going to kick the lid switch in. You can see full submersion on the clothes there. As it agitates, it gets a little sudsy. You can hear that agitation process working. If you didn't hear that little motion right underneath the lid, which is this guy moving back and forth, and I can't move it on this particular one, it doesn't spin one way or the other. It does itself, one side then the other side, so you really can't reach in here and move it, especially with water and clothes. But if it were to spin freely, if you could just spin it, then it wouldn't actually be working, and you wouldn't hear that noise. You would just kind of hear the pump running down there. Good to know about the agitator. You want to make sure your clothes are getting clean. So we'll let it finish up there, and we'll come back for the draining and the final spin. Alright guys, we're moving into that final spin cycle. It's draining all the water out right now. Then it'll kick over, start spinning, and get up to full speed, and we'll come right back for that. Alright, we're spinning out just about full speed. I'm going to go ahead and lift the lid up. Now we'll shut it down and stop it from spinning, but you'll be able to see that it is spinning nice and fast. You can hear it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. There you go. Now you know that lid switch works as well. I'm gonna let that finish up, and then we'll get those clothes moved over to the dryer. Show you the dryer. Alright guys, now I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. It's a Kenmore electric dryer. It's in excellent condition. And I'll show you, we just put it on time dry, high heat, hit go. Nice quiet dryer, smooth operation, sounds great. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. We're going to open this up. Right inside that heating element tube there, you can see plenty of heat coming in there, and this tube can get all the way up to 300 degrees inside. Then when that heat comes out, the inside of your dryer is going to get about 95 up to 195, and that really just depends on what you have this heat setting at here. So you've even got something for delicates if you need low heat. There's also an air dry on here as well, so tons of options. Go ahead and let that finish drying those clothes, and that's pretty much going to do it. If I didn't mention it, the washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked, and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale, before it leaves my care here. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks.